In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly to-do list in ClickUp. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and that you already have a project or list set up where you want your weekly tasks to live. We'll be using an existing list and then applying a template to quickly build a structured weekly to-do system. Start by opening the list where you want your weekly to-do list to sit. This might be a project list or a general weekly tasks list inside your workspace. Once you're inside that list view, look toward the top of the screen for the section that shows the current task view, usually something like All Tasks. Click on that to open up more viewing and configuration options. From here, we're going to work with templates. Look for the area or button that lets you access more settings for this view or list. When that menu opens, select the option labeled Templates. This is where ClickUp stores reusable setups so you don't have to build your weekly layout from scratch every time. In the Templates area, browse or search for the weekly to-do template you want to use. Once you've found it, click on it to open the details, then choose Use Template. This begins the process of applying that structure to your current list. If you see an option to select where it should be applied, make sure the correct team space or location is chosen so your weekly list shows up in the right place. You may be prompted to customize what gets imported from the template. Click on Customize Import Items so you can choose which parts you actually need. This is especially useful if the template includes extra fields or example tasks you don't want. Next, select Remap Dates. This is important for a weekly to-do list because it adjusts any dates from the original template so they line up with the current week or a start date you choose. When you're happy with the settings, click Use Template again to finalize. Once the template has been applied, switch over to the By Role or similar view if that's available, then go into Schedules, and then into the specific section like Meeting Request if that's part of your weekly setup. Finally, change the view to Board. This board view will give you a clear drag-and-drop style weekly to-do list that's easy to manage throughout your week.